Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, change the language of Windows if only one display language is supported fix. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand control, click and expand NLS, click language. Open any browser, type Appendix 5 product behavior in browser search bar. Search with your language. Copy language code after 0x. Open default, paste the language code. Open install language, paste the language code. Close and exit registry editor, restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.